we find that our human body's excretory system is composed of kidneys. Over 1 million glomeruli were seen inside the kidneys through renal cortex. If you spill 1 glomerulus, you can find glomeruli is composed of a glomerular capsule surrounding the capillaries. The protruding cells of a capillary loop is called nuclear podocyte, namely glomerular visceral epithelial cells. It is star-shaped polycysis and cell body is bigger. The cell body grows several large bumps, which are called primary podocytic process. If you open up a part of blood capillary, you can find that it is finger crossing and covers the outside basement membrane. Through adherent molecules, protein polysaccharide molecules, and others, it is located in the basement membrane. When entering primary podocytic process, you will find each large podocyte process will generate more figure-like secondary tubercle. A secondary tubercle between two adjacent foot cells are interrelated and alternated to form paliformed or deep structure, which is close to the capillary basement membrane. The fissure between two adjacent foot cells is called schisma, and the diameter is about 25 to 40 nanometer. The surface is covered with a laminar structure called a hilary membrane, and the thickness is about 4 to 6 nanometer. This forms the mechanical barrier of the foot cells. The surface of the schisma is composed of sulfuric and protein polysaccharide, which constitutes the charger barrier of the glomerulus. In summary, Sertoli cells, along with the glomerular basement membrane and the glomerular capillary endothelial cells, form the glomerular filtration barrier. In normal condition, Sertoli cells can secrete collagen type 4, fibrosis link protein, and other basement membrane components. Under the stimulation of some inflammatory factors, it can also secrete matrix metalloproteinase and casprosin, which have the function of degrading basement membrane. They play an important role in the metabolism of basement membrane.
Hello everyone, here is the nephrologist online video consultation. I'm the host David. Welcome you join our program. Last time we talked about what nephrotic syndrome is. This time we will talk about why this disease happened to people.
上一次呢，我们讲了肾病综合征是个什么病，那么这次我们主讲的题目就是为什么会得肾病综合征。它呢是因为人的各种不良生活习惯使人体内的内外毒素在人体内的蓄积超过了人体的一个抗炎能力。
This disease results from a larger amount of toxins accumulate in human body because of unhealthy life habit, and the toxins exceed the anti-inflammation ability of human body.
那么人体的细胞的这个抗炎和致炎的平衡不断的向致炎偏移，细胞因子的白介素1贝塔高表达，足细胞和免疫细胞活化，足细胞分泌异常的受体，异常的受体作为抗原刺激免疫细胞产生异常的相应的受体抗体。
The balance of anti-inflammation and inducing inflammation of human cells is in disorder and turn to inducing inflammation. Cytokine interleukin 1 has high expression. Podocyte and immune cells get activated. Podocyte secrete abnormal acceptor which can act as antigen to stimulate immune cells and cause the production of antibody.
那么抗原抗体结合呢，形成原位的免疫复合物，发生过激的免疫炎症，足细胞受损，细胞因子白介素6、肿瘤坏死因子、转移生长因子高表达，白介素2、白介素10低表达，滤过屏障的基底膜增生变厚，其屏障功能破坏，血浆蛋白就漏到尿液里，大量丢失。此时呢，临床上就表现出大量的蛋白尿。
These antigen and antibodies can combine with each other and form the primary immune complex. In this case, hyperactive immune complex will happen. Podocytes will be impaired further. Interleukin 6, tumor sclerosis factor, tumor growth factor will show high expression, but interleukin 2 and 10 will have low expression. Basement membrane of glomerular filtration will become thick, and its barrier function will be damaged. Protein in blood will leak into urine, that is proteinuria.
由于血浆总的白蛋白的进一步流失，才出现了低蛋白血症。那么低蛋白血症发生以后，血浆胶体渗透压下降，血液中的水分就转移到组织间隙当中，才会出现了水肿。由于长时间的低蛋白血症的存在，肝脏为了合作补充血浆中流失的白蛋白而大量合成，同时呢，脂蛋白也再超大量合成，最终导致了一个脂质的紊乱，而出现了高脂血症。
With more protein in blood get lost, protein in blood will reduce. So oncotic pressure will come down. Consequently, fluid will go to tissue and cause swelling. Long-term low protein in blood will make liver produce more albumin to improve the protein in blood. In this case, lipid also gets produced massively. With more lipid in blood, lipid disorder will also appear.
那么在当初你患上任何一种疾病，没有引起你的重视，或者是治疗不彻底，才会诱发今天的肾病综合征的发生。那么既然已经知道了得病的原因，下一期我们继续讲解为什么会久治不愈。
In the past, when you suffered from one disease, you didn't give much concern or you didn't treat it well, so it aroused the occurrence of nephrotic syndrome today. Now we know the reason of this disease, so next time we will tell why it is so hard to treat.
感谢朋友们的收看，下期再见。
Thanks for your watching and see you next time.